Todd, let me tell you something. I believe in you and I trust in you and I'm happy to support you. And whatever we can do together, it's always that both win. So that's one of the reasons we're together. I know you're not like I can appreciate what you're doing. I think it's actually good. And the sport, it's funny that a guy like you see it from a different perspective. You see it how I see it. What is actually the person receiving the content actually looking at? It's funny because I go on Facebook and I see like 60% off. It's like flyday.com. It's like, what are you selling? It's like a red screen saying you don't understand your client.
Yep.
That's right. So this to be honest, is good. And that one of the reasons I like working with you, kind of really get that. You understand it. You understand like it's great, but this is way more valuable.
'Cause one home is where you want to be. One home.